Every home starts with a dream, and today we are very happy and proud to present to you another dream home comes into reality. Hi, this is Dr. Cecil Fajardo Apostol, CEO of Astana Properties and Development Corp. Samahan mo kong silipin ang bahay na ito na ito-turn over natin. Tara, join me! Ba? Itong bahay na ito ay na-avail ng aming client through our Build Now, Pay Later program. Nag-cash out na sila ng 200,000 at ngayon natapos ng kanilang bahay, ngayon pa lang sila mag-i-start ng kanilang monthly amortization. Now, gusto mo rin ba na maka-avail nito? Para malaman mo kung qualified ka sa aming Build Now, Pay Later, message us now.